Alright, what's up guys? We're at the Johnson City Pump Track and mountain bike trails. Unfortunately, Dad doesn't, well, he has a mountain bike, but it's a cross-country mountain bike, so we can't go down any of these trails, well, at least I can't, because he didn't bring his bike. So, we're just hitting up the Johnson City Pump Track. So, Dad's gonna record me. Hopefully gets a cool shot. Of course, how can he not get a good, cool shot with that being in the background? But yeah, with that said and done, let's get into this video.